Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Peer Reviews. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend, or even leave a comment. So today's product I'm here to share with you is a Bluetooth speaker by Duoten, and the model number is the E7. This is the box it's going to arrive in. And once you open up the box, what you're going to get, of course, is the speaker itself, which we're about to go over. You're going to get a charging cable, which is a USB Type A to Type C, so it's the more current, newer charging cable. It does not include a brick, keep that in mind. You're going to get an auxiliary port here, so you can, if you still have an older phone that has this in it, or computer or something like that, you can use the auxiliary port on the speaker to play music. And then you're going to get a little instruction manual that's going to kind of explain how to change all the settings and all that, which we're about to go over. So first off, let's talk about the speaker. It is really solid, really well made, which kind of honestly surprised me considering the price point. Like I said, this is in the affordable bracket of speakers. But it's very, very solid. It does come with a IPX7 rating, so it doesn't scratch easy. It can get rained on, it can get splashed on, so it's great for out by the pool. That does not mean you can submerge it into the pool, so this is not going to be an underwater speaker for you. But if it gets wet, it's not going to be a big deal. And because it's pretty solid made, I don't see any cracks or places where water will kind of seep into it. On the top here, you've got kind of the bass speaker, and then they've put in an LED surround, which has 3 modes, which we'll go over. And then on the back, you're going to have the volume up button, the volume down button, the power button. Then there's a little light here, which will help tell you when it's charging, and also it blinks if it's not connected to Bluetooth. It's solid if it's connected to Bluetooth. And then you have this little trap door here, which is hard to open, but it's because it's stain watertight. It's got a nice thick rubber here. And then this is where you have a micro SD card if you want to play music via an SD card. It has your auxiliary in option, and then this is where you charge it with the Type C connection. So now charging wise, the speaker says it will play continuously for 24 hours. It's easily lasted me all day by the pool. I haven't run it nonstop with a clock to see if it's exactly 24 hours, but it will last all day at the pool. And then charge time, it takes approximately about 3 hours to fully charge. At least that's what I've kind of noticed. Now it is Bluetooth 5.0. So that's the newer Bluetooth standards, and means it has a longer range, easily covers throughout my house. Obviously, if you have, I think it's Bluetooth 5 is like 60 or 66 or something like that feet, but that's a little deceiving. You're not going to get 66 feet out of this thing unless you're in an open field, because once you start introducing walls and windows, it reduces those Bluetooth signals. But you do get an extended range. It's got the current Bluetooth technology, so that's really nice. Also, I've never really used this feature of it, but if you pair it with your phone and you want to answer phone calls, the speaker does have a built-in microphone, so you can have conversations through the speaker if you take a phone call with it. That's just kind of like a little bonus perk on it. So let's kind of turn it on here. So to turn it on, you just hold down the power button, and that's how you turn it on. Now, to change through the various modes, so whether you want to do the SD card or the auxiliary or the Bluetooth, you're just going to press this twice, and then it'll change the modes. And I have an SD card in here, so as you can see, it's going to start playing. Kind of let you listen to what it sounds like here. So it has a good sound to it. It gets really, really loud. You can crank this up, especially if you're having a party. And it is affordable, so you don't really have to worry about blowing the speaker. You can ramp this thing really up. It has a really kind of crisp sound to it. The bass, I would say, is not incredibly heavy like you would find in a very high-end speaker. But it sounds great, especially for the price range to it. Now, another cool feature, which is not common, at least to the speakers that I've seen, is this LED glowing rim. So you have two LED options. One is where it kind of just slowly changes colors, which is what it's on now. In order to change that, you hold down the power or the plus button and the minus button and just press it. So now it's on the mode, it's doing color based on the beat of the song. But if that's, bothering you and it's like late at night and you're sitting, you don't want this light on, you just hit it again and it'll turn off. So it gives you that options to have a cool little light if you're throwing a party, or if you're kind of having a little romantic, quiet evening and you just want some soft music, you can turn that off. But yeah, that's kind of the ins and outs of it. I'm really happy with it. Very pleased with the sound quality for the price point and its durability. It's well made, like I said. It's nice and compact, and it's got packed full of features. So that is it. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. I'm going to include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check this out for yourself. And like I said, always feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond if you have any questions or comments on how to do something. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.